Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how can we count unique values in our data by using different methods. Some methods are applicable in Microsoft Office 365 and the rest of the methods they are applicable for all versions of Excel. Let's get into the video. So I have this column which has the different countries name. Some of the names are being repeated like USA is repeating, UK is being repeated. So if I want to just count the unique country name, so what I will do, I will use the unique formula. Let's start writing the formula which is only available in Microsoft Office 365. Its unique formula is start with equal to UNIQ, press tab array. So this is my array and close of bracket, press enter. So now it's showing me the unique country name. So it's not getting repeated anywhere. So it's only showing me the names for the one. So, but I only want the count of the unique countries. I don't want the names. So what I will do, I will simply apply count A formula, which is COUNTA, press tab and again I will close another bracket here, press enter. Now you can see it's giving me the count of 7. It means there are 7 unique countries in this list. The rest of the cells is just a repeat of the same country's name. So I can easily get the unique countries count by using the unique formula. Let's check out the method which is available in all Excel version. So I will use countif formula is equal to COUNTIF. Press tab. It's asking me range. This is my range, comma, and criteria. My criteria is also from this column because I want to count unique value from this column. Close a bracket, press enter. So now you can see it's showing me the USA is repeating 5 times, this cell UK is repeating 3 times, so Russia is 1 time. So it's showing the number of appearance in this column for each countries. So what I want, I just want to count the unique value. So first I will divide this formula by 1, divided by this counter formula, press enter. So now you can see if any country is repeating more than 1 time, it's dividing by 1 and giving the result in points, which is 0.2, because 1 divided by 5 is equal to 0.2. So anywhere if USA is appearing, so it's showing point 0.2, point 0.2, point 0.2. So I'll explain the reason why I did this later on. So next one is I will use sum product formula to sum of those values. Sum PRO, sum product, press tab. And again, I will just close another bracket to apply the formula properly. Enter. So now it's giving me the count of 7. So if you want to understand any formula, just start from the latest formula, which is countif formula. Countif formula will give me the count of the each country which is appearing, and then I divide it by 1. So if any country is appearing more than 1 time, then it should divide by 1 and give me result in points. And then I use a sum product, so it will sum up all those points value to make it 1, to make it the unique value. So that's why it's giving me the same result towards the end. So it's only counting the country for once. So this was the method you can use in any Excel version. So there is another method for counting the unique values in any Excel version as well. For using that method, I would suggest to create a copy of this column, Control C, and just press here Control V, and then select select this column and go to the data tab, and from the data tab there is a remove duplicates option like within the data tools. If I click this one, and it's showing me remove duplicates from this column, press OK. Now you can see it has duplicate values found and removed, 7 unique value remain. OK. And now you can simply just you can press Control Shift down arrow to select the column and it will give you the count at the bottom. So it's showing me 7. There are 7 unique value. The only thing is it will Get rid of the duplicate values and only keep the unique value. This is the one thing you need to keep in mind. If you want to use this method, just create another column to use this method. Hit the like button if you like this video and make sure to subscribe my channel if you want to watch more tips and tricks.